Beginner tips to organize tasks better. So getting started with Kanban is simple, but doing it well makes a huge difference in how organized and productivity you feel. Here are practically friendly tips you can apply right away, guys. So start with a simple board. As you can see right now, you start with to do, in progress, and done. And as you can see right now here, I'll be deleting this one right here. There you go. Just start with 3. There you go. As you can see, start with 3 to do in progress and done. This because this minor mirrors the core idea of Kanban. Visualize work as it moves through stages. You can always add more columns later, like review or block once your work flow grows, and break tasks into small, clear pieces. Big tasks slows you down and clutter your board. Instead of create website, break it down to design homepage, write content, upload images, and maybe test layout. And smaller tasks, easier progress track, like smaller tasks, so progress tracking. You can add some subtasks right here. So if you want to know how to add some subtasks, you can watch it on How to Rocket, guys. And you just search it out and use work in progress right here limit. So here, as you can see right now, we have a limit right here of 3, so 3 tasks. There you go. As you can see, progression 2, because this is one of the most powerful Kanban rules. Example, in progress column 1, limit to 3 tasks. As you see right here, this prevents multitasking overload, half finishing work, or maybe burnout. Focus on finishing tasks before starting new ones, and prioritize visually. Ways to do this is add priority levels like high, medium, color, or use colors or tags. Put urgent tasks at the top. If you're using like tools like Trello or Taiga, they have built-in labeling features. Like this, it also has built-in labeling features. You will see right here. I'll add, and there we go, label right there. And for my final tip for you guys, don't aim for perfection. Kanban is flexible. Your board will evolve. Start simple, then after that adjust, then improve over time. Remember, simple starter workflow. You can copy this, as you can see right here, to do, right here, in progress, and add a review, right? Just add a review right there. That's optional only, and then done. Those are the only 4 things that you need right here in KanbanFlow, and those are the beginner tips that is the best for anyone who's gonna use KanbanFlow. So there, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type it down in the comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here. How to rock it, guys. And see you guys in the next one. Thank you, guys.